Everyone, welcome back to the kitchen, and we are all getting ready for Thanksgiving. Today's video is sponsored by Sanhoya, the makers of a fabulous air fryer, convection, and moisture injected oven. We're going to be using that today. We're going to be roasting our sweet potatoes and our crispy roasted green beans to make our meal prep super easy. I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. Some fresh green beans that are in the pan there with just some butter. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna roast these at 400 degrees for about an hour. Before we finish up, I wanted to show you guys how this steam injector function works. Receptacle for the water, so you take this out, it pops right out, fill it up with water. Pop this right in there. And here's the button for the spray volume, and you can just press it. It will give you an indicator here. These lights on the side, I don't know how well you can see, but it's gonna show you how big of a spray area it's gonna get. And when you are ready, you push the spray button and you'll be able to hear it. And it is spraying, I can see it. It is spraying down on my potatoes right now as we speak. So you might not want to use that when you're actually baking potatoes, but in any case, that's how you use the spray function. And I can always just hit that spray function. It's going to put a little bit of water injected into the oven, and it's going to help my green beans stay nice and moist. And another thing I wanted to share with you is you don't have to turn this off. If you want to open it up and check something, you can open it, and once it reaches a certain level, it's going to turn off for you. See right there? It's just going to turn off. And then if you're done checking, you can just come back, put it back down, and it's going to start right back up where it left off. We're going to let our potatoes and our green beans finish up. I wanted to go over this beautiful oven. Now, the good folks at Sanhoya sent me this, what they are calling an air fryer, oilless cooker with a spray function. So it's basically a convection oven that you can do multiple things in. It's got a lot of room in it, and it's got some features that I really like. This is a convection, air fryer, steam injected oven. It's 17 liters. I'm just gonna open it up for you here. This is the fan unit, glass lid. It comes with this stainless steel expander ring. This comes out. I'll set this aside over here. And then the cooking bowl itself is glass. It's an Arcopal glass bowl, and then it comes with, this is the outer ring, so you can't touch the glass and burn yourself. It's kind of like a protective ring. It comes with this rack, which can be used like this to elevate foods. You can actually cook multiple things at one time. You can use this rack just like to put a chicken or a turkey on to keep it elevated from the bottom of the bowl. Look, you can reheat pizza. You can cook a frozen pizza. You can cook a frozen pie, or anything that you buy from the freezer section of the grocery store that has like a fried outer coating. You can cook in here as an air fryer. You can make wings. If you want to use the expander ring, you lift up the lid, and then there's a lever back here, and you can raise this up. And then there's also, Rick, I'll turn it, because there's this little, this is a safety prop. It folds up underneath, because you don't want to use this without having that out. Otherwise, you're going to have your unit tip backward when you have the lid up. It comes with a cook booklet, an instruction booklet. It comes with this pizza pan. This will fit a 10-inch or 11-inch frozen pizza, or you can use it to make your own. It comes with this lifter, so I'll show you if this is hot and you want to lift it out. It's going to help you lift that out. It also came with 3 skewers like that. They're stainless steel. And just a couple of points that I wanted to share with you from their Amazon page. This is available on Amazon. This uses a French Arcopal glass bowl. That makes it nice because you can see through it. You can actually watch your food cooking. It has this patented steam injector, which they're calling a spray function. So what this basically does is inject steam into the oven, and you can choose to use this when you're roasting, you know, birds or roasts. This unscrews here. You fill this with water only. You tighten it back up, and then you'd pop it in. There are little notches to show you where to put it, and then you just put it on there, and then you can set the spray volume on the button here, or you can set it to spray, period. It's very easy to program. It has an on-off switch, and if you want to set the timer, then you set however long you're going to cook for, then you set your temperature, and then you set fan, and then you set start, and it will cook for as long as you've programmed it to do so. It's very easy to clean. You can actually fill it to a certain point with water, a squirt of dish soap, and then set it to a certain degree as instructed in the manual, and it will clean itself. Then all you have to do is dump it down the drain, rinse it out, dry it out, and then leave the unit open so that it can air dry before putting it away. You never want to put this away unless it's completely dry. You can just wipe off the fan area with a damp towel and get any grease or splatter that may be on there, and then you're good to go. You can cook everything in here, from a cake to grilled cheese sandwiches. Today we have chosen to do a rolled turkey breast just in time for Thanksgiving. Just another option for you guys, and that's it. We want to thank the people from Sanhoya for sending us this unit, as well as sponsoring today's video. If you would like more information, I'm going to leave a link down below to their Amazon page where you can go check it out and get more information. We have our crispy roasted green beans. These taste fabulous, and I used fresh green beans. You can use frozen if you want. And our roasted sweet potatoes. They took just about an hour in the oven. Remember, we did this entire meal in this Sanhoya oven. If you guys want more information on that, I'm definitely going to be leaving a link down below. I want to thank Sanhoya for sponsoring today's video. I also would like to thank them for very generously sending us that oven. We will definitely be getting some additional use out of that, especially during the busy holiday season. I hope that you give this turkey roll a try along with the crispy roasted green beans, and I hope that you love them. And until next time, happy holidays.